Alright y'all, this is the morning of the third and final day of our Keto at the Cabin retreat. We are going to, I think Crystal and I are going to put everybody through like a little body weight workout this morning so that they can kind of familiarize themselves with some of the movements. So let's do that. Alright, what you doing?
We're going to show everyone a couple of exercises that they can do like at home or with really light weights that they can just easily purchase from like some more like Walmart, something like that. But we're just gonna do a little intro into what they could possibly do.
Perfect. Perfect. How the legs, Derek? How the legs?
I got it.
He's fine. So you can do things like sitting on the couch with something on your like this.
Roll back your chest forward and your eyes line of sight pretty much really. But yeah, as far as like alignment, everything was good.
I make him do it for the camera. Ow! Yeah, that's really good.
But alright, y'all, so the conference is done. Everybody's leaving now. We had like another Q&A and wrap-up session. Jimmy talked about fasting for a little while. Everybody's leaving, like I said. Crystal and I are going to find something to eat real quick while we're here so that when we hit the road, we can work out at some point in the halfway mark and then continue to drive home. So we've got some prosciutto. We have some of these Teton Waters sausages. We have some of these chicken thighs, some bacon with some sausage, and yeah, these are those sausages there. Some eggs. I'm trying to keep my carnivore. There's a bunch of things that look really good. Like this is a macadamia nut bread and a keto waffle, but I'm gonna stick with just the meats. All right, y'all, we are leaving now. Everybody has said goodbye. Leaving the cabin, you can see it behind me. Headed back to Arkansas. It's gonna be a good old 10-hour drive. Let's do it.
What's up, guys? We have just pulled over. We are getting gas currently, and we're gonna go over and get a coffee from Starbucks to really energize us. It is 9 minutes until 5 o'clock, and Robert has been sleeping this whole time already, so it's been like 2 hours of him just sleeping, or an hour and a half. So I'm going to drive a little bit more. I don't really enjoy driving at night. It's a little bit hard on my eyes, so I'm going to drive for a little bit and make Robert drive when it's a little bit darker out. So, cannot wait to get coffee.
We now have our Starbucks. Are you happy, baby?
Yeah.
On the road. Look at that beautiful sunset, y'all. Isn't that pretty? The only thing prettier than that sunset is my baby, which is too dark to see right now. But there's my baby right there somewhere. But that's a pretty close second. Alright, y'all, we've been on the road for about 5 or 6 hours now. There is a Planet Fitness right there. It's 8:30 p.m. We're about to crash some shoulders and some back. Get ready. Just want to point out how hardcore we all feel at a Planet Fitness right now.
Super hardcore.
Beast mode, baby. Beast, but don't drop that weight. Don't drop that weight. Alright, y'all, I'm about to do Arnold press. Gotta be quiet though. Don't want to set off the, as Crystal calls it, the hunk alarm.
Alright guys, so there is no barbell here. We were going to do landmine rows. Can't do it here because there's no barbell, but we are changing the exercise to this.
Alright, so this is one thing I miss, having a good cable pull down machine. I do miss this. Alright, so normally we've done a couple different exercises that I didn't put on the camera, but normally we finish with an inverted row on the barbell. But since we have the cable machines here, we're gonna do cable rows. So that's what we have going on right here. Alright, y'all, the workout is done. Got a good solid workout in. The thing I love most about Planet Fitness, it's always super clean in here. No problems there. I didn't feel judged at all. I mean, we killed it. Isn't that right, Mr. Lunk? We killed this workout, and it was good. So we'll catch up with each other next time. Take care. All right, y'all, so we just finished the workout, took a shower, Can you hold for a second, Crystal? Feel way better. However, when you're driving, since your feet are always down, you're probably not hydrated as much as you should be. It's pretty common to have some degree of inflammation because whether you feel stressed or not, your body is going through a stress, and your ankles will often get swollen, and you'll hold some water. So I'm gonna scoop up some Keto Vitals in my Starbucks water and stir that up and get me some potassium in. Thank you, my lovely Crystal.
Oh,
you're just holding that. Let me get a sip real quick on camera.
Sure, okay.
There's paper case. In case you want to know what this looked like. I think I'm definitely gonna go with the mango as my preferred flavor for the Keto Vitals.
Also,
for sure.
Can we please pay attention to this sign over here? It's been like in the picture the whole time. Dirt cheap. That's the name of the restaurant or the store.
I like it.
There you go.
Alright, y'all, so we're going to Kroger's to get some food because my baby's hungry. Alright, Crystal's not going to eat this because it's in her thing, but I've never seen this before. Fully cooked pork belly. The ingredients are only pork, water, vinegar, and salt. 1 gram of carb, 15 grams of protein, and 32 grams of fat per 3 ounce. So pretty good. I must say I've been pretty unimpressed with Kroger's natural meat selection. What'd you wind up with, babe?
I'm gonna get this pack of turkey, and I do have a keto brick that I'm gonna eat it with. And rather than choosing something with dextrose or maltodextrin in it, I actually chose something with organic honey. Of course, it's not optimal, but it's better than the alternative.
All right, let's do it. All right, y'all, so I have my steak with my ketchup. About to chow down on this. I heated it up at the gas station that we got gas at, but we're in like the middle of the hood right now. We got like crazy people going. I'm pretty sure the gas station clerk just got done smoking a blunt, smelled like weed. So we're getting out of here before we start eating because it's just not a pleasant place. Alright, y'all, we are back at the same hotel that we stopped at on the way to Ohio. We had 3 hours left to go and we were crashing hardcore. It's 12:30 in the morning and we're gonna wake up at 4:30 in the morning. So see y'all tomorrow.